Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For the people new here, my name is Ishneet Kaur and I am a pro makeup artist. I've recently finished a movie called Apurva. I have even gotten a chance to do Shankar Mahadevan's makeup. I have even done a couple of ad shoots like, your Netflix promo and Amazon promos. Now, I won't take much of your time. Let's get started. Let's talk about this fabulous Earth Rhythm PHYTO CERAMIDE Foaming Cleanser. Because trust me, this brand knows what is coming up. They've recently revamped their skincare line. Now, with a brand like Earth Rhythm, it feels like they know what they're doing and the quality has increased as well. Now, let's dive into this cleanser. First things first, can I just talk about this packaging? It comes in a sleek glass bottle with a separate pump, ensuring that there are zero leakages and maximum convenience. Now, talk about attention to detail, right? This cleanser claims that it is designed to prevent dryness, improve visible signs of aging, and restore that, protective skin barrier. And let me just tell you this, the foaming action. Oh my god. I mean, at first, it might just feel a little gimmicky, but trust me, when you wake up in the morning and you pump the foam, it's like an aesthetic and ASMR dream come true. Like, it's such satisfactory vibes. This foaming cleanser may not be strong enough to effectively remove heavy makeup on its own, but it is perfect as a part of a double cleansing routine. The gentle formula of the cleanser is designed to deeply cleanse the skin without stripping away its natural moisture, making it ideal for a secondary cleanse after using a makeup remover or a oil cleanser. By incorporating this foaming cleanser into your skincare routine, you can ensure that your skin is thoroughly cleansed, free from impurities, and ready to receive the benefits of your other skincare products. Now, quickly, let's just break down the ingredients because, of course, skincare is all about what's inside it. It's packed with aloe, coconut, fruit extract, and more skin-loving goodies. Plus, it is free from any toxic ingredients that we definitely don't want on our faces. Now, they even have ceramides. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ceramides, keeping your skin hydrated and happy. Ceramides are like the ultimate moisture magnets, keeping your skin hydrated and happy all day long. They help strengthen your skin's natural barrier so it can better protect itself from environment stressors. Now, let's talk about the performance because that's what truly matters, right? This cleanser leaves your skin feeling squeaky clean and oh, so soft and seriously hydrated. It's just so refreshing, like it's a burst of goodness that your skin will really thank you for. And here's the best part, it's priced at $649, but Earth Rhythm is currently running an offer which is buy one get one free. That's all for now, my loves, but make sure you hit that like button and of course subscribe to my channel for more beauty adventures. Don't forget to head over to the Earth Rhythm website and treat yourself to some skincare goodness. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Also, I've done a review on the Earth Rhythm lip and cheek tint in case you all want to check that out.